Thanks for stopping by today at Twisted Art Designs. This is project number 3 for our Paper Dolls Altered book, and it's going to be called Dress Me Up. That's what I'm calling this one, is Dress Me Up. And I appreciate you stopping by. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks for stopping by again. You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook. I do have a PayPal me account if you feel like making a donation. I do appreciate any donations I receive. And let's get started on our fun project today for our altered books for making paper dolls. I received this Gibson Girl paper doll book in the mail, in some Happy Mail. And it is from 1985, but it's in perfect condition. So this wonderful 33-year-old paper doll book is going to go into my doll book. So what I plan on doing is cutting out the girls and then cutting out the outfits, and I'm going to not cut out the tabs. I'm going to just cut out the outfits. I'm going to adhere them first to a piece of either cardboard or probably even a file folder envelope, and then I'm going to put a little dot on the back of the outfit that's going to be a little tiny bit of Velcro. There's also going to be Velcro, a little Velcro dot on the back of each of these girls, and they're going to show up randomly in my doll book. So what I'm going to do is make the dolls themselves be portable and movable, the clothes that you dress them with be changeable, and then on the page in my book that corresponds to the outfit or that she would go with is where I'm gonna put her into the book. I'll put a dot in the book, like this page. I'm gonna put Velcro dots here and here, or maybe even here and here, so they'll be strategically placed and go with the layout. And then I can take my dress up girl and put her on this page in her swimming suit outfit. So that's what I'm going to do with this paper doll book that I received. So that's what I'm planning on doing, and as soon as I get it out and done and ready to go into the book, then I will show what that looks like. But what a fun idea of a way to add more paper dolls to my paper doll book. This is pretty cool. I love her outfits, and she's gonna be all throughout my altered book. So I've adhered my cutout, my paper doll girls, to a file folder, and I've done that with Mod Podge and I've let it dry. Now I'm going to go ahead and fussy cut these images out, and I'm going to cut them out and not use the tabs. I'm going to cut the tabs off. Okay, I've cut my girls out, and I've gone around the edge with a water brush filled with ink to get rid of that white edge. I've blackened the edge so it just looks a little bit nicer. And what my idea is, these came from the Gibson Girl paper dolls cutouts, and so there's the paper dolls and all their outfits. And since my book is paper doll themed, and when we were kids what we would do we'd have our paper doll, and you have your base girl, and then there's all these clothes that you would cut out with the tabs and you'd fold over her. And I'm kind of doing a little twist. So what I'm doing with my paper dolls book is I'm going to add this paper doll girl that I can dress to my book. So how I'm going to do that is by using some Soology stick-on hook and loop Velcro fasteners. And like on this page is a nautical beach scene, and then there's this vintage bathing suit outfit. So what I'm going to do is put Velcro on my girl, so that in just a couple strategic places, so that every outfit will stick to her, and then the other side will go on the back of this outfit. And then I'm going to put the Velcro dots on the page as well, so I can add my dressed up girl to this page layout. So she fits in with the theme of this page. Then I can take her outfit off, take her off the page, move her to another layout in the book, anywhere else that I'd like her to be, and put her somewhere else, put some Velcro dots down, put her somewhere else, and dress her with a different outfit. And then I'm going to make a wardrobe in the back of the book for the outfits. So I'm going to cut out a couple of different ladies and then a bunch of different outfits, and then add the Velcro to their outfits and to the ladies, and then to the pages where I want them to go, and then they can be moved all over throughout the book wherever I feel like putting her and dressing her up. So that's going to be my take on Dress Me Up for paper dolls, dressing up and putting them in my paper dolls book. So that's my next idea, and I hope this inspired you to maybe find a paper dolls book. You can find them possibly on eBay, or even there's some new ones out in the stores too where you can find a new paper dolls book. Find a paper dolls book and add your paper dolls to your paper dolls altered book. So I hope that inspires you, and I can't wait to see what you create as well. So be sure to join my Facebook group and show me what you've created, and let's keep playing with our paper dolls altered books. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope you're having fun creating today.